Are you looking for a water heater because you're cold or your wife is cold and she's like screaming at you? So you need to find a water heater for your family. Well, you've come to the right spot. At Angel Water, we are a licensed plumbing company, so we're licensed by the state so that we can literally install your water heater in accordance to the laws and regulations from the state. Now, the second thing is actually water heaters are a lot more than just throwing it in and being done with it, right? We're here to be able to, actually, we have one cut open, and we're here to show you that actually water has organics attached to it. Rock, calcium, there's iron, and so it pops off as you heat the water, that stuff pops off and it lands to the bottom of this water heater, which eventually ruins them. So the manual out of every water heater says that you need annual service. You need to flush this guy every 6 months to every year. And guess what? If we're already a water filter company, we're going to be out and we can perform that service for you, making sure that you're maintaining the warranty with the manufacturer. Huge thing. So whether you're looking for a power vent, which is similar to this one right here, or a standard flue 40, 50 gallon water heater, we would love the opportunity to help serve you and your family. So if you have any further questions on that, reach out to us. Comment below. As you know, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.